Hello, Larry here with Skylight Savers, the Nightmare Fence. Yesterday we got all our front posts up. Look at that. That is purty. Larry's working on our last hole in this line, and we have one more to dig in right here. And then we're gonna set our centers. I'm gonna start cutting 2x right now for our supports. And she's looking pretty good, if I don't say so myself. Just a little bit of concrete here. Let my truck give it a little bit of, so you see, sucks. End of day 4. All their fencing in. And our dividers. Post holes are dug and done and filled in. So all we have left is slats and gates.